Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. Today we will discuss the topic profit, loss and discount. Already we have understood the profit, loss and the worksheet 1, isn't it? How to find out the profit percent, loss percent, how to find out the SP and CP by putting the formulae and all you have understood. Now coming to the topic discount. So for that we have to understand the marked price. So what is marked price? It is the MP. The price written on the tag of the item in a discount sale is called the marked price or the list price. So जब भी डिस्काउंट सेल सब रहता है, डिस्काउंट दिया जाता है कोई भी आर्टिकल के ऊपर, तो पहला जो उसमें लिखा गया है बड़ा अमाउंट, दैट इज द एमपी, दैट इज द मार्क्ड प्राइस. फिर मार्क प्राइस के ऊपर डिस्काउंट दिया जाता है. डिस्काउंट इज द रिबेट, मीन्स कम किया हुआ, द अमाउंट डिडक्टेड फ्रॉम द मार्क्ड प्राइस टू गेट द सेलिंग प्राइस. सो जितना पैसा हम देकर वो आर्टिकल को खरीदते हैं, दैट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस. लेकिन वो डिस्काउंट होने के बाद जो पैसा देते हैं, दैट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस. लेकिन पहले जो उसके ऊपर लिखा था, दैट इज द मार्क्ड प्राइस, which is listed or marked on the article, that is called as the marked price. So selling price is equal to marked price minus the discount. Remember, marked price is the bigger amount minus the discount, you get the selling price. So discount is equal to MP minus SP. SP is equal to MP minus discount. So discount will be how much? MP minus SP. Discount percent का मतलब क्या है? Discount upon MP into 100. So all students remember, discount percent is calculated on MP. Just like the profit percent and loss percent, both are calculated on CP. Here discount percent is calculated on the marked price. Now discount, when discount percent is given, the discount is equal to MP into discount percent upon 100. So when MP and discount percent is given, how to find out discount? Discount is equal to MP into discount percent upon 100. Now the formula to find out the marked price. When SP and discount percent are given, it is MP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. So just correlate. Remember, for CP you had written CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So same way MP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. And to find out SP, it is MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Here also it is the same way. SP in CP, what you did? SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. So same way here, SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So when MP is there, it is always the discount percent. You have to remember this. Don't get confused. So SP, CP, it is either profit percent or loss percent. When MP and SP is there, it is discount percent. Okay. Now profit percent and loss percent are calculated over the cost price, whereas discount percent is always calculated on the marked price. Is it clear? This you have to remember. Now coming to the examples. So the example 4. The marked price of a shirt is 940 and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 15% on it. Find the discount and the selling price of the shirt. So it is comparatively an easy sum. So marked price is given. So MP of a shirt is equal to rupees 940. The discount percent is given. Discount percent is equal to 15%. They have asked you to find out the discount. First you have to find out the discount, that is discount percent of MP. So to find out the discount, what is the formula? Discount percent of MP. Discount percent, how much is it? 15% of MP is rupees 940. That is 15 upon 100 into 940. 0, 0 cut. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14. Now 3 7s are, it is 21, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. So you got discount as rupees 141. Now they have asked the selling price. So what is the formula? SP is equal to MP minus discount. Remember, SP, don't put the formula here, that a big formula. So डिस्काउंट परसेंट MP दिया है SP का, वो बड़ा फॉर्मूला डालने का ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आपको डिस्काउंट मिला है. सो इजी MP माइनस डिस्काउंट. व्हाट इज MP? इट इज 940 minus 141 rupees. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now it is 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. Here it is 8 minus 1, that is 7. So you got the SP. So answer, discount is equal to rupees 141 and SP is equal to rupees 799. Understood? Directly if they ask the SP, when MP and discount percent is given, then use that formula. Otherwise this also you can do, but that is comparatively easy. Directly you put the formula and find out. Okay. Now coming to the example 5. The price of a refrigerator was slashed. Slashed means कम किया. From 35,000 to 29,400. So that means 35,000 is what? The marked price. And 29,400 is the selling price. In the winter season, find the rate of discount. Rate of discount मतलब the discount percent. तो इसके लिए पहले discount find out करो. So first the solution MP of a refrigerator. How much it is given? Rupees 35,000. Now SP, how much it is given? 29,400. Now discount, what is the formula? MP minus SP, है ना. Discount is equal to marked price minus the selling price. So find out 35,000 minus 29,400, that is rupees 2 zeros. Now it is 0 minus 4 means 10 minus 4 is 6. Here it is 4. 14 minus 9, that is 5. Here it will be 2 minus 2, 0. So you got 5,600. Now they have asked rate of discount, means what? Discount percent. What is the formula? Discount upon MP into 100. What is the discount? 5600 upon MP. What is it? 35,000 into 100. 2020 cut. 1010 cut. It is a 7 5 7. How much? 7 8 56. 5 1 5 2 8 2 16%. Hope you understood. Answer: the rate of interest, rate of discount, is 16%. ठीक है, इजी सम. एमपी दिया है, एसपी दिया है, डिस्काउंट फाइंड आउट करो, फिर डिस्काउंट परसेंट फॉर्मूला डालकर सॉल्व करने का. नाउ कमिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल 6. Example 6. After allowing a discount of 8% on a book, it is sold for rupees 828. Find the marked price of the book. तो क्या क्या दिया है? It is the discount percent and SP sold. So SP of a book is equal to rupees 828. Now discount percent is equal to 8%. Now they have asked you to find out the MP. Remember the formula? Here you have to use the formula. So it is a MP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. Okay, put the values. 828 into 100 upon 100 minus 8 is equal to 828 into 100 upon 100 minus 8 is 92. Okay, now if we see, it is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, 1 remains 12, 4 3s are 12. Now 4 2s are 8. Now 2, that means zeros are. Now 2 8 28. It is 4 7s are 28. Now 23 is a prime number. If you see, it is 23 9s are 23 1s are 23, 23 9s are 207. So you got 9 into 100, it is 900. Okay, if it is a prime number, you have to just see how it will be. Say 3 9s are 27. So try 23 9s are. So you will get. Now it is a Answer. Marked price of the book is rupees 900. Okay. Now coming to the example 7. The marked price of a TV is 32,500. Okay, we'll write MP of a TV rupees 32,500. After allowing a discount percent of 20%, a shopkeeper still makes a profit percent. See, MP and discount percent together. But now in the question they are telling, even if he gives the discount percent of 20%, he still makes a profit of profit percent is equal to 30%. Find the CP, cost price of the TV. I had already told you, profit percent, CP, SP, they will be on one side. MP, discount percent, SP will be on the other side. To find out CP, we want SP. So, by using this MP and discount percent, find out the SP, and using that SP find out the CP. समझ में आया? So MP of the TV दिया है, डिस्काउंट परसेंट दिया है, और बोलते हैं कि इतना डिस्काउंट परसेंट दे के भी वो 30% प्रॉफिट कमाता है. तो अभी पूछे हैं CP ऑफ द टीवी कितना. तो इसके लिए पहले CP फाइंड आउट करने के लिए SP तो चाहिए. दोनों ये MP, डिस्काउंट परसेंट, प्रॉफिट परसेंट, CP, उसके बीच में कनेक्टिंग लिंक क्या है? SP. सो फाइंड आउट SP हियर. सो SP फॉर्मूला क्या है? SP is equal to, what is the formula? MP into 100 minus discount percent upon 100, isn't it? So it will be 32,500 into 100 minus 20 upon 100. It is 32,500 into 100 minus 20 is 80 upon 100. 2020 cut. Now 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20, 8 3s are 24, 25, 26. So you got 26,000 is the SP. Now take this SP to the other side. So SP is equal to rupees 26,000. Profit percent is 30%. Find out CP. What is the formula? CP is equal to SP into, in the first worksheet you have done 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Remember? Now put the values. 26,000 into 100 upon 100 plus 30. That means 26,000 into 100 upon 130. 0, 0 cut. 13 1s are 13 2s are 26. 2 zeros. So that means it is rupees 2 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 zeros. So that is 20,000. Hope all students understood. So the mark price is given 32,500. Discount percent is 20%. In spite of that, he will make a profit of 30%. They have asked you to find out CP. So MP discount percent SP, एक साइड प्रॉफिट परसेंट CP SP दूसरे से. सो इधर से SP फाइंड आउट करो, फिर वो SP लेकर CP फाइंड आउट करने का है. आंसर, द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द TV is ₹20,000. Bye. Thank you. Hope everyone understood.